Hey y'all. SkeLeTon Hiccups. Written by Marjorie Collier. Illustrated by S.D. Schindler. Read by Mrs. Hudgens. SkeLeTon Hiccups. SkeLeTon woke up. Hiccup, hiccup. Had the hiccups. Hiccup, hiccup. Took a shower. Brushed his teeth. Hiccup, hiccup. Polished his bones. Hiccup, hiccup. Carved a pumpkin. Hiccup, hiccup. Raked some leaves. Hiccup, hiccup. Played with a ghost. Ghost told SkeLeTon, hold your breath. Eat some sugar. Press your fingers over your eyeballs. Drink some water. Upside down. Ghost made a face, said boo to SkeLeTon. But nothing worked. The hiccups stayed. Then Ghost got smart. Found a mirror, held it up. SkeLeTon screamed. The hiccups left. They jumped away. Hooray! The end. More books written by Marjorie Collier. Go to your local bookstore or library and check these out.